Alright, so in this video we have problem number 23. So what we're going to be doing first is I'm just going to rewrite this just like this, just so I can play around with this a little bit, just to see what we can do here. So if we write this like this, what I want to do is I want to first get all of this business to the other side. I want to get it to the other side here. Why? Well, because when I have an absolute value just here on one side, without anything else, without any obstructions, we can clearly just we can clearly produce two equations. But when we have it like this, I don't know exactly if we can do that. So let's get rid of all of these things and let's rewrite it, of course. So this is the subtraction property of equality. We have -2, absolute value of 1/4 s minus 5, divide by -2. We have a 0 on this side. We don't have to worry about anything. So just divide, this is 0, is equal to 1/4 s minus 5. My s's and my 5's look very similar, but that's an s, that's a 5. So we can now produce two separate equations. This is going to be 1/4 s minus 5 is equal to 0. And guess what the other equation is going to be? Well, it's going to be just 1/4 s is equal to 1/4 s minus 5 is equal to 0. It's the same equation. So we technically don't have two equations because this is a 0. We can't have a -0. That does not make sense. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So we don't have to worry about this, but it's the same thing. So anyway, we can just solve one of these. It's just +5 on both sides. This is the addition property of equality, and then 1/4 s is equal to 5. What we can do is we can multiply 4 to both sides. It's a multiplication property of equality. 1 times s is equal to 5 times 4, which is 20. And solving this will give you the exact same thing. Okay, so s is equal to 20. Let's do our check step, our very important and popular check step. We can see if we plug in 20, we subtract 5 and add 3, what's going to happen? Well, this is just 3 is equal to -2, absolute value of 5 minus 5 plus 3. You might see what's happening here. 3 minus 2, absolute value of 0 plus 3. Absolute value of 0 is just 0, and this whole thing is just going to be 0 in that case. So 3 is equal to 3. That's true. It's always true. Hence, this is a solution, and we are done.